What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, GB Everywhere. Thanks for watching. Today I woke up and I did a little bit of meditations by the water, and then I had a little bit of breakfast, and they brought the breakfast down by the water, so that was really nice. It's a beautiful day today, so I gotta find something fun to do. Not really sure yet. I'll get some work done and then find something. Yeah, stay tuned. Let's go. All right, so today I got a little work done. I'm here still at the cabana. See here, boom, boom. Today I'm going to ride jet skis in a little while around the lake, so that should be fun. And then I'm gonna go into town to, I don't know, to do something. All right, so I'm ready to go. I'm wearing this, but I put a long sleeve shirt in my backpack because I feel like it's gonna get cold out there. Let's do this. So I'm here. I don't really know where I'm supposed to go. I don't really know where the dock is at. I'll figure it out. I actually don't know where to go. I'm just standing here looking stupid. Maybe I should go look for somebody. All right, let's go look. So she said the jet ski guy isn't answering the phone right now, but it's probably because he's on the jet ski on the way over here, which makes sense. I don't know how you can get cell reception on the water. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just walking around, taking some pictures, videos. Look at this place. It's amazing. I can't wait to get on this jet ski. Oh, we lit. Thank you, sir. Jet skis here. We lit. Going down to the dock. Let's go. Nah, so it was funny because the dude just only spoke Spanish, like only complete Spanish. I didn't know what he was saying. Like, he just showed me how to use the gas and how to go reverse and turn it on and off. And that's really all I know. Then he started pointing around the lake, like, and I thought he was saying like spots I shouldn't go or something. And so I put out my phone to have him write it down, but he was like, nah. And then he just kind of pulled the gas, and then he was just like, told me to go and tapped his wrist, like said to watch the time, but I don't even know what time I'm supposed to be watching for. But I know I paid for an hour, so yeah, whatever. I hope I don't get lost out here, but let's go. Oh, I'm gonna try to put on the GoPro too. Let's go. Now we got the GoPro set up and we got the music on. It's lit. We out here. Yeah. I'm gonna show y'all. Let's go. All right, so we're about to go browse and look at some rich people's houses because these are super nice, and I'm gonna get real close because I don't care. I seen these like red, I don't know if you can see these red dots right here. I didn't know if that meant do not enter, but I entered. right there is surrounded by barbed wire, and it had like these barricades at the bottom, and literally looked like it was a fortress. I don't know who lives there or what they do, but I hurried up and got out of there before anyone saw me filming. I ain't taking no chances. So the farther I ride, the more I realize that these hills are endless, that they go on forever. There's a million houses. You guys think that my GoPro will just clip on to the jet ski, or does that seem like it won't, like it'll fall off into the water and I'll lose it? Just wrong clip, I don't know. I'm gonna try it though. We'll see. Holy shit! The GoPro almost just fell off. You've seen that. The luck, it fell right into my lap. What are the odds? That was crazy though, but alright, so that's enough GoPro footage. It lasted a while, but let's not test it. Now I really don't know where I am. I gotta try to figure out how to get back. Everywhere. Let's go. Jet skiing was real fun. Everything always exceeds expectations when you expect nothing, you know? I got 5 minutes left on my rental, and we got a ways to go. Let's go. Ah! Back. That was amazing. I'm probably gonna do it again. Now I'm going back, climbing back to my room. And see what I do next. I don't know. Probably have some lunch and then find something else to do. Let's go.